कुतेरेगा उड़ेनी खुड़ेनी ला 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 wasmiruha matang hoda kenkana hodani.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Uyaina Ibrahim. I am from UKG B. Today I am gonna tell you a poem. A precious mother, Mom, you have given me so much love from your heart and the warmth of your touch. Gift of life, and you're a friend to me. As a child I would say, Mommy, I love you. Now you're my mother, so dear. I love you even more with each and every new year. If I could have chosen, I would have picked no other than for you to be my lifelong friend and a precious mother. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan.